Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to explain what kind of computers and systems I've been using to do the job of web design and development over the past nearly 20 years. Now 20 years ago, that white creamy computer was what systems looked like at the turn of the millennium. Now most of these computers here are basic, straightforward, average machines, except the Dell. The Dell's garbage, I didn't use that. Most often than not, you don't need a super duper high quality computer to do this job. I mean, this wee machine right here is the one I'm using to do the majority of my work and to record this video on. And it's a basic wee average Toshiba Satellite Skullcandy version. Not new, not top of the range, not the best computer around, but it does the job perfectly well. If you look here, these are the kind of things that you will need your system to be able to run. And the most processor heavy of all of these is more than likely the Adobe suite. So if your system can run Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator or Fireworks or InDesign, if it can manage those programs without any problem, the chances are you'll be able to use it for web design and development and it won't cause you any problems at all. Now when it comes to the Adobe suite, when making digital artwork, if you are making scalable vector graphics, you want to use Adobe Illustrator before you use Photoshop. Photoshop's good, but it's geared towards photography. Illustrator is geared towards digital artwork. Fireworks is good for really quick web work. So if you want a wee quick web button or a quick logo for a website, Fireworks is pretty useful for that. Anything more advanced, I would use Illustrator, but again that's kind of personal preference really. If we have a quick look at the system I'm using right now, you can see it's a pretty basic wee system. There's nothing really complicated about it. It has a less than 3 GHz speed processor. It has 8 GB of RAM, which can be extended to 12 with the use of a memory card. It has quite a lot of storage, 1 TB of storage on it. But it's an average, basic, straightforward, normal wee computer. So if this Christmas you have been given a computer that is equal power to this or better and you are wondering if you could use it for web design and development, well, the answer is yes, perfectly easily. In the past I have used a 10-year-old Toshiba netbook which had 1.2 GHz processor, and I could run XAMPP on that perfectly well. I could edit PHP and HTML, CSS and JavaScript without any problem at all. Where that wee tiny netbook would struggle was on the images. I couldn't really do any digital artwork, but when it came to editing files and changing CSS and even installing whole websites, I could do it on that tiny netbook. So if you are looking at a computer and thinking, I quite like that computer, I wonder if it's good enough for the job of web development. If it has a nearly 3 GHz processor and has a decent amount of RAM on it, in exactly the same way this average wee normal laptop I've got here has, and yes, it probably will do the job perfectly well for you. I mean, top of the line, extremely decent, expensive computers are really useful. They will work extremely well, work fast and give you no problems at all, but they are not essential. An average, basic, normal, straightforward wee laptop is all you need. The one I've got here, I mean, it would struggle to play games, but as far as web design and development work, yeah, it'll do fine. So if you have an average PC or an average laptop and you're wondering if it will do the job for you, the answer's yes. So if you like this video, please click subscribe and I'll see you again next time. Thank you.